In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Grammarly account quickly and correctly. If you no longer use Grammarly, or you simply want to close your account and remove your data, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. I'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow so you can get it done in just a few minutes. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your Grammarly account. You'll want to sign in with the same email address connected to the account you want to delete, because this step needs to be done from the correct profile. Once you're inside Grammarly, you should land on the dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand panel. In that menu, find the Account option and click it. This is where Grammarly keeps your main account settings, profile details, and account preferences. After that, select Profile. The Profile section is where you can manage personal information and account-related options. Now scroll down carefully. As you move lower on the page, you'll see the Delete Account option. This is the setting you need if you want to permanently remove your Grammarly account. When you click it, Grammarly will begin the deletion process and your account will be deleted. Make sure you're certain before you confirm, because this action is meant to remove the account entirely. If you use Grammarly across different devices or browsers, it's a good idea to double-check that you're deleting the right account before proceeding. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your Grammarly account. I hope this guide made the process easy and stress-free. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.